Hello, my name's Mike, I'm from Access Irrigation, and in this video we'll be looking at the application of PTFE tape. Now PTFE tape is used to seal threads, so with any thread fitting that you've got that hasn't got an internal seal, you will need to use PTFE tape to seal the threads. Otherwise the water will track down the threads and your connection will leak. Okay, putting it on. What I do is put it on like a bandage, so that way round, and you've got control then of the reel itself. Trap the end with your thumb and just wind it round in a clockwise direction, making sure that it's nice and tight. 50% overlap, and you're probably going to wind it round about 3 or 4 times. At the end of it, pull it to release it, and it should stay on if it's nice and tight and you've done it properly. Then it's just a question of screwing into the female corresponding fitting and then just tighten it up. If it's too loose going in, then you haven't put enough tape on. If it's too tight, then you've overdone it. So a compromise between the two.